Hi everyone, friends. Today on Kaleidoscope, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted Google account. Open any browser and search for Google Account Recovery. Alright, then we'll go to how to restore your Google account. Here we have some tips. And here we also have Recover Deleted Google Account. And here we have, accordingly, follow these steps to recover your account. Let's click that. Okay, next, we need to go here and continue. Enter the email of the deleted account here and enter the last password you remember. Next, if a phone or phone number is linked to your email, an SMS will be sent there. But overall, we can try using a phone number. Alright. But overall, let's try using a phone number. Click that and enter the code. Okay. And after 6 hours, check your email, alright? Or you'll have a field here to enter a new password and you can restore your account. It's been me with you. Bye everyone.